welcome to CT tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the steps of recording a macro. If you are a beginner in Excel or in advanced Excel or in Visual Basic, so first I would suggest you to record a macro and to check the syntax of the application, and then you write a code. So let's see how we can record a macro. We can record a macro by using two ways. One is in the left hand corner, there is a button is showing ready. You can see my cursor, and if you click in this picture, so it will give you a pop-up box and the macro will start recording. But we will record a macro in a different way. We will click on the developer tab, and here a button, you can see that record macro. So I'm just clicking on this and it will ask you to put a macro name. So you can change the name, or you cannot, as per your wish. Shortcut key. So if I put Control I is my shortcut key. And this workbook means the macro is applicable for this workbook only. So if we add personal macro workbook, then we can use this macro for all Excel workbooks. So first we will record this macro for this workbook only, and here you can put the description of the macro, why you have record this macro. So I will write here that for test purpose. Press OK, and the macro, here you can see the button has started. The macro has recorder is on currently. So what I will do, I will change the background color first. I will merge these cells. Increase the size by using the cell style option. And I will stop the macro. By clicking here you can also stop the macro, or otherwise you just here and click here, the stop macro will stop. So now we will open the Visual Basic. So let's see the syntax of the Visual Basic. So you can see there is option is modules, and inside the module 1 you will find the code. Here the macro is recorded. You know that macro, the blue green code color text is the comment text. So these will not execute while you run your macro. Keyboard shortcut is Control I. First I have selected range F3 to G7 dot select. With the selection interior, I have changed the background color, so that's the reason it has put the code dot interior, pattern solid, and color index these. So these are the codes, and here I have select, and after that you can see that I have merged the area, that selection dot merge, and then I have write down here a text CT tutorial, and then I have select heading. I have changed the heading style, and then I have click on J6. So we see how it will perform. we will remove all these things, and I'm just pressing Ctrl I, so the same thing is repeated here. So that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe it, and if you like this video, please press on the like button. If you have any feedback, if you want to share anything, if you want to learn anything more, please write down in the comment section. I will get back to you.